5 Best Washing Machines. Here is the product number 5. Lavatrice Was Machine 16 New Ultrasonic Washing Machine. Power, 10 watts EM print logo Shore control mode other dewatering capacity artificial dewatering display mode no display width, 50 cm and below product size 4 times 6 8 cm product weight 0.3 kg. Motor type vibration frequency device inner barrel material no barrel dehydration speed artificial dewatering. Here is the product number 4. Portable ultrasonic sheen hose washing machine. Brand name Raris. Rating grade 2. Washing machine type mini washing machine. Automatic type semi-automatic. Certification row HS. Washing capacity, kg, 2K. G installation freestanding. Model number PJXY03. Condition new. Housing material plastic. Type compact. Here is the product number 3. USB port Sonic mini washing machine. Washing machine. 110 volts 50 household ultrasonic washing machine, ultrasonic washer for glasses jewelry watches 600 lust 46. 62/bag 16L manual inflated pressure domestic high pressure car washing machine washing tool device set easy use portable car cleaner USD 51 slot. Here is the product number 2. Portable multifunction laundry washing machine. Dimensions, 40 mm voltage, DC 5 volts washing time, about 30 minutes, best results, interface type, USB port electric current, 2A power, 10 watts waterproof layers. 2 insulation plastic covers and a waterproof nanocoating layer vibration chip, titanium crystal. Here is the product number 1. 110 USB ultrasonic washing machine mouse shape design. 110 volts 50 household ultrasonic washing machine, ultrasonic washer for glasses jewelry watches 600 lust 46. 62/bag 16L manual inflated pressure domestic high pressure car washing machine washing tool device set easy use portable car cleaner USD 51 slot. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.